Can anyone guess when I discovered options trading? You still have 155.32 to turn into triple of what you lost. That's the RE shares as GME. The squeeze hath not yet been squoze. This will be the last sound before the heat death of the universe. Congrats. Take an upvote for your brain damage. Master, please teach me the ancient technique. Buy high, sell low. Buy options expire worthless sounds better. You still have 35% left. The battle isn't over yet. Wait till he discovers margins. Margin trading with options on borrowed money. Yeah. Buy it, here we go. It's literally free money. It can't go tits up. Show us what plays made you lose all that money. Looks like this guy plays chess with a dice. Die. Dice is plural. Die is singular. I'll have to make note of that for when I learn how to read. I don't speak any English. I just memorized random words and typed them out without thinking. This probably doesn't make any cucumber. Wow, you never made a right decision. Try marketing yourself to a hedge fund as the guy who knows what not to do. Just inverse him. If every instinct I have is wrong, the be right. My name is George. I'm unemployed and live with my parents. I'm Victoria. At any point did you consider undiscovering options trading? It's a trap. You see one 200% day and get hooked. Then you see multiple minus 50% days. So I've heard. Up here. This came from an array of trades. Never bear or bull. Always trying to time a pullback or a rip up with weekly options. All positions are from a lot of different SPEEP. AMD. Tesla, FBA, APL, FedEx ups. Whatever you heard of. I traded it. Was on the right side a lot of the time. Never with the right capital. Every time I sized up, I was on the wrong side. Entirely gambling weeklies. This is for all the newbies who think it's a get-rich-quick scheme from seeing the recent gain porn. Those people are literally 5 to 10 people of 9 million of us. Not saying don't trade options. Just be careful. Also, I'm a full-on degenerate bastard. I bet 20, 30, 40k on combat sports at a time. Play with SPEEP, you can lose. Please. I hate to see post with. Lost my life savings and don't know what to do. Started a new account for 2021. Will update you fellas in 6 months. GOOOOOD luck. It tells you before you sign up that 76% of people lose money using this platform. Everyone just called thinks they are the 24%. I bet that 24% includes all the people who never even put any money in LUL. Damn, I would put a call on this bet if Reddit would allow me. I'm willing to take that action if we can get the info sheets from the company. I see a new subreddit being born, r/usbets, a place where you bet on a user's portfolio. Congrats, you have crossed the line where a blind rock can see the gambling addicts around here. Ain't called WallStreetBets investment decisions. You just have to find a 280x bagger stock and you can make it all back. Easy. DM me if you find one lmao. This sub is starting to feel normal again. Right? This was such a breath of fresh, retarded air. Chef's kiss. Must be a. No bull could possibly lose that much in this market. Blew up my account with AMD and AAPL calls expiring after earnings. Now I'm going bear mode and hitting up that VIX and SPY puts. Yo, don't buy options for after earnings. The 4 is sky high and the chance to win is like 0.0001%. Yeah, had to learn the hard way what 4 is by getting my cock crushed. It was my first big idea after I started options like 10 years ago. Oh man. Stocks go up huge amount right AF for earnings. Slash. Buys 3K worth of calls. Earnings go up, I am like. Oh speep. I am rich. Look at my account and I am red. After 2 hours of frantic googling. So that's what 4 is. Lmao, this hit home. Did the same thing. Learned about 4 crush the hard way. Dude, WTF. This is the way. As a retard thinking about getting into options. Thanks for doing the dummy run. I'm not touching that SPEEP with my bank balance, haha. I mean, if you're planning on holding onto the stock for more than a year and you're not doing leaps or covered calls, you're missing out. Options doesn't have to mean WallStreetBets levels of idiocy. Bro, how do you do this and get down 50%? Nearly $25,000. And say if I keep this strategy up it'll turn around. Damn fam. He's a gambler. Literally. Here students. We observe the first one's free followed by a destabilizing as bigger and bigger bets are made. Op loses a big one and decides the only way to get back to even is to YOLO the remainder of the account. Soon. A paycheck will arrive and the cycle will begin anew. Godspeed. I could hear Nelson's haha in my head when I saw this. Losing 99% of your portfolio in a bull market. And they say everyone is a genius during the bull market. Disney can thrive though. True retard. Get a friend to do the opposite of what you tell them and profit. Awesome tax deduction. You lost almost T even think it was possible. You must be new. You may be broke. But you made hot posts on WallStreetBets. This is indeed the way. Finally. Something I can jerk my wife's boyfriend off to. Good speep man, keep it up. It's a shame Robinhood didn't try and protect you from yourself with these moves. Don't give up. You still have some money left. You only need to make a 28410% return to get it back. Oof. Rip brother. Regroup and re-evaluate. Best of luck on the future. This is just King Speep. Jesus Christ, just buy calls and sell in a few days. This good FAP material. Every meme stock supporter looks like that RN. 99. 65% loss MHMMM. That's why I come here. Thai fellow retard for sharing. Here I fixed it for you. In the greatest bull market of all time. How did you do that? I want to do the opposite. Ape discovers fire. 2021. Colorized. I'm amazed at how you guys lose so much money in a bull market. I literally do nothing and earn 20%. Just do the opposite of what you want to do. Then there will be big profits. Lol, all the S have been saying quietly, had he bullfuck for the last 6, has that got any of need to be a closet, just accept it. Chin up. Life is good. And there's always bankruptcy if you get really jammed up. Tomorrow is a new day. You're retarded. What's going on here? This SPEEP right here is what's keeping from trading options. But I also feel this people may have a lower IQ. I do know I'm at 32% on my portfolio and I don't want to FPEEP it up. It's like a mirror, but with smaller numbers. 1. 0/100th comment. 3. Hint. You can sell calls/puts and actually make money. We're back to the UGR/WSBs. So that's who I took 15K from. So we all lost our cash on GME, but let's circle jerk. I refuse to check my Vanguard and Robinhood. If I wanna ruin my day, I have other ways of doing so, lol. GUH. Gotta know when to pull out. Now you got a red baby. Which app is this? Hard to say. Your portfolio looks like a failed EKG from the get-go. You better love your darn job now. Just one more. Just one more play. I think you need those 4 analysts to help you thrive. Thanks for showing me the way. GUH. What's your strategy? A true savant. I heard sniffing markers helps. No, I can't tell because you selected all and I have no reference time frames. Options trading is the only way people go broke in the stock market, cause once it expires you are done. At least with shares you can diamond hand it and wait for it to recover. I like how the preview just showed the chart and your buying power. View post, and I actually yelled when I saw your loss numbers. Hey, I've seen this before. -45398. 61. My God, what have you done? If you just wanted to piss away 45K, you should have given it to me instead. 24 HRS. Ever heard of a stop loss? Bro, that hurts me physically just looking at it. I need to follow your trades. I would like to be your counterparty. I must ask. What went wrong? Like, what was the play, and at what point did you realize you had made a bad trade? How many days was this over? New to trading, do people normally trade using options? Seems risky. Try margins. Option trading is fine, greed is the problem. Yikes. Guy Femo Tefri _ pack face palm. Wasn't really meant for expiring options. Fellow retard. Holy FPEEP. Were you buying puts or something? Damn. That's brutal. Just turn your phone upside down, dummy. PLTR. Should have sold at 350. Still can't find a reasonable platform to trade options in Canada. Best of luck on your journey. Huh. These options or futures sound kinda neat. If you increase the risk, you can increase the potential reward too. 30 minutes later. So if I turn the risk factor up a SPEEP ton, I could be a millionaire in a few weeks? Thank you for your contribution. Mouth peeping retard. About a week ago. I hit a fat -90% initial at that one point when TSLA did some cool tanking in the span of maybe like 15 minutes. Maybe it was after battery day? True, WSB is a casino, so shouldn't be a surprise if you lose it all. I was lucky and made it out of the hole and up 10x maybe 6 months after that. But anyway, amazing loss porn. If I hit that low, I'd go all in with a final weekly call for an even -100%. Best place to learn about trading options. r/hentai. Please tell me all your moves so I can do the opposite. You're an idiot. Everyone wants to be a big shot and trade options like a fool. Dug your own grave. Finally the sub is getting back to its roots. Tell me more about the 4 analysts thinking on Disney. Still on RH? Figures you'd be losing all your money if you're that dense. Should have done puts, it looks like. It's cool. I did the same with NOK and AMC but lost twice as much LMAO.